Good day, fellow mathematicians. Welcome back to our video. Today we're going to discuss another topic in business mathematics, and that topic is introduction to percents. Introduction to percents. Previously, in the last few videos, we have discussed the notion of what a fraction is, and at the same time, we have discussed the notion of what a decimal is. And today, we're going to discuss another type, which is the percents and the percentages later on in the next few videos. Now, let's have the intuitive idea of what is a percent. Now, percents are most often used in business. For example, sales tax rates are given in percents. Interest rates for borrowing and investing are given in percents. Commissions are usually computed as a percent of sales and so on. Kahit naman yung mga nasa community natin, yung mga malls and sales, di ba, 20% off. Yun yung mga nakikita nyo, di ba? It is mostly everywhere, 'di ba? Nakikita niyo yung mga percents na yan kahit saan, even sa 12.12 or 11.22.33 ng Shopee or ng Lazada. May mga percent discounts yan. Ngayon, ano ba ibig sabihin ng percent? Percent means hundreds. Ganun lang yon basically. For example, 24% means 24 over 100. Ganun lang yon. Yung 24% is basically just equivalent to saying it is over 100 or 0.24 as you have learned how to convert fractions to decimals, correct? Another way to think of 24% is to think 24 equal parts out of 100 equal parts. What do I mean by this? Let's imagine this box right over here. Itong box na ito. Ito ay may dimension na 10 by 10. Alam niyo naman yung 10 by 10 kasi yun yung 10 by 10. 10 units, 10 units. Ang ibig sabihin lang ng 24% is that this area, ito lang yun, no? Basically itong yellow area na ito. Itong yellow area na to constitutes the 24% out of the 100. Kaya siya tinawag na hundreds. This is 24 over 100. Yan yung 24%. The yellow area signifies the 24% out of the 100 kasi these are 100 squares eh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 24 of the boxes are occupied constitute to the number 24%. Ganun lang ibig sabihin nun. 'Di ba? And remember that always 100% means 100 over 100 or kapag 100 over 100 or is just equal to 1. Okay? So ibig sabihin this entire rectangle or square constitute to the number 1. Ganun lang ibig sabihin nun. Number 1. Okay, let's define what a percent is. A percent, which means per 100, is a representation of a fraction whose denominator is 100. It is just a representation. It is just a fraction. Percents are just a fractions that has a denominator of 100. Ganun lang ibig sabihin nun. Thus, expressing a number in percent is like comparing it with 100. And that's basically the intuitive idea of what a percent is. Diba? In the next video, we will be discussing the conversion between decimals to percent to decimals, fractions to percent, decimals to etc. etc. And until then, mathematicians, keep safe and have a great day. Goodbye now.